What's up y'all, Wallamoose here, and in today's video I'm going to show you something that all Shopify store owners need to do immediately. But before I begin, I post here on YouTube pretty frequently with videos regarding content for the creative entrepreneur. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe. I'd love to have you along for the ride. But without further ado, let's jump in here and get started. Alright, so a key to having a very successful Shopify store is having excellent customer service. And with customer service comes helping out your customers whenever technical issues arise with your shop. Because let's be honest, Shopify is not perfect, and every now and then, since they are so large with so many servers, issues arise and it can really affect your store. So, how can you stay on top of issues that arise and know exactly what's going on with Shopify's inner workings? Well, this is something I found whenever there was an issue. One day I was logging into my store and had customers contact me saying their orders weren't going through, and so I contacted Shopify, and they actually showed me this website where they have system statuses on Shopify as a whole and your shop specifically. And so what I've done here is I have actually bookmarked it on top of my browser, and they have a very special feature where if your shop has an issue, the Shopify icon right here is red, and if your shop is good, it's green. So today there actually is an issue, which is why I thought to make this video. So I'm going to show you the benefit of having this in your search bar. So let's click on it. It's Shopify status, and it can be found at shopifystatus.com. And if you log in, it can show you any active issues with your shop specifically. So it looks like today there's one active issue, and it is email support showing errors. So view details and you can see all that is going on with that. And so this is no big deal, it's just Shopify support, so it's not affecting my shop directly, but it's good to know there's an issue going on. So they're actively trying to resolve it. You can see that it's identified, but they haven't started working on it. But once they have resolved it, it should have a green check mark, and the icon back up here will go green, and I can know there's no issues in my store. Now, if you don't know how to add this to your bookmarks, I'm using Chrome specifically. Just go to shopifystatus.com and hit these three dots over here on Chrome, and it should pull up bookmarks. And if you hover over it, you can bookmark this tab or bookmark alt tabs. All you need to do is bookmark this tab, and it will show up in your bookmark bar. Did I say bookmark enough? But I feel like this is something every shop needs to do because it's good to stay on top of issues, and you can just clearly see if it's red or green for the day if there are any issues, and you can look into it further. So I hope this video helped. If you're a Shopify owner, I hope this was a revolutionary idea that you never heard of, and if you liked it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to all that fun stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.